I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart went out. I know you heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that led the way were winding. All the lights that lit the way were blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. So maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me.
That saves me.
And after all, you're my
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the beautiful voice of the lovely Natasha. Sweetie, that was great.
Oh, thanks.
And welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And today's Ojibwe word of the day. What do you think? I didn't prepare at all.
How about sage?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay.
Today's Ojibwe word of the day. The difference between sage and smudge. Sometimes people get this mixed up.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't we do a song once?
Yeah.
Mochka. No, what was it? Boshkodi. Nukwejikan.
How was that?
Boshkawazi.
Boshkawazi.
Boshkode Jibek. Boshkode Jibek. That's how it goes.
Boshkode Jibek. Nukwejikan. Nukwejikan.
Boshkode Jibek.
Yeah.
Boshkode Jibek. Boshkode Jibek is sage, and then the verb, when you light it on fire, it's called nukwejigun. To smudge is nukwejigun. The sage itself is Boshkode Jibek. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. I mean, why not? And having said that, sweetie, would you take us out?
Sure. Well, everybody, just want to say, if you like the show, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. That really helps. Also, you can support us financially by clicking the link to PayPal and leave us a tip. Or you can support us monthly on Patreon. And if you do that, we'll send you a gift. All right, enough of the commercial. Thank you so much for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Nana BOOZHOO. And I'll see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, ho what? How was that?
Oh, you did just great. a boat to England, baby, maybe to Spain. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. Send out for whiskey, baby, send out for gin. Me and room service, honey, me and room service, babe, me and room service. Well, we're living a life of sin. When I'm not drinking, baby, you're on my mind. When I'm not sleeping, honey, when I ain't sleeping, mama, when I ain't sleeping, well, you know, you'll find me crying. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have gone, anywhere I've been and gone, anywhere I have gone, the blues are all the same. Try another city, baby, another town. Wherever I have played, anywhere I've rolled them dice, anywhere I have played the